Hello, class. For today's social studies, we're going to talk about presidents on our coins. We just celebrated President's Day. You have a little mini book that has the same coins as I'm going to read, so you can pull that out and read along and look at the coins along with me. It's a penny. Abraham Lincoln's face is on the front of a penny. He was our 16th president. If you use a magnifying glass to look really close at the back of a penny, you can see the statue of Abraham Lincoln in the Lincoln Memorial, right here in this circle. A penny is worth 1 cent. It takes 100 pennies to make $1. That's a lot of pennies to equal $1. It's a nickel. Thomas Jefferson's face is on the front of a nickel. He was our 3rd president. Monticello, Jefferson's house, is on the back of a nickel. You can find it in Virginia. A nickel is worth 5 cents. It takes 20 nickels to make $1. Can you count by 5s to 100? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. It's a dime. Franklin D. Roosevelt's face is on the front of a dime. He was our 32nd president. On the back of the dime, the torch stands for liberty, the olive branch stands for peace, and the oak branch stands for strength and independence. A dime is worth 10 cents. It takes 10 dimes to make $1. Can you count by 10s to 100? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's a quarter. George Washington's face is on the front of a quarter. He was our 1st president. An eagle with its wings stretched out is on the back of some quarters. Here's a picture of that same eagle in the Oval Office where the president sits. A quarter is worth 25 cents. It takes 4 quarters to make $1. Can you count by 25s to 100? 25, 50, 75, 100. Now you can read your own coin book and color it. Next, you can design your own coin. First, cut out the 2 circles and the words, "In God We Trust." Glue the circles together and glue the words on the front and back of the circles. On the front side, draw a picture of your face. On the back side, draw a picture of something that is important to you. Think about what metal or color will your coin be? How much is your coin worth? What size is your coin and how it is compared to current currency? Is it the same size as a penny, a nickel, or a quarter? And what symbols will you include on your coin and why? On the quarter, it had the symbol of an eagle because that's an important symbol to the United States of America. What symbols are important to you? Have fun. Goodbye for now.